how to transfer Pi from Binance to Bybit on PC. Now officially the Pi token is not listed on Binance, but in the future it will be listed. Now we show you how to transfer it if it's listed on Binance. Now we'll use the example of ZT. All the tokens have the same method to transfer it from your exchange platform to another platform. So let's get started. Now first of all, what you need to do, just tap or head over to your wallet and tap on spot. And after that click on withdraw. And as you can see here, select your token. In this case it will be the USDT. Now after that click on it, and here you can just select the network first. I will use the BIP20. Now to get the address you need to go to your Bybit account. Now first of all, open your Bybit account and make sure to log into your account. To get the withdrawal address of your token, tap or click on deposit. And as you can see here, select your token. In this case it will be USDT. Now the chain you need to select it as you selected before in the Binance. It will be the BIP20. Now wait a few seconds. Now click on confirm. After that you can click on this icon to copy your address. Now go back to your Binance and paste it here in the address box. After that, as you can see here, just wait a few seconds and you can now type how much you want to transfer. And after that click on withdraw and you will be able to transfer your token to your Bybit account. You can wait few minutes to few hours to receive it. So this is how to transfer Pi from Binance to Bybit on PC. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.